What if I told you that one of the biggest tech companies in the world just admitted AI costs more than hiring actual human workers? And companies don't care. They're spending the money anyway. Today, we're going deep on one of the most confusing business decisions in tech right now. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this is happening and what it means for your job. So here's what happened. An executive at Nvidia, yes, the company literally powering the AI revolution, came out and said it. AI agents are more expensive than human workers. Not slightly more expensive. Significantly more expensive when you factor in compute costs, API fees, infrastructure, and maintenance. And yet, companies are racing to replace employees with AI anyway. The question is, why? And it's not just workers being replaced. Look at what's happening in the podcast world right now. According to the Parcast Index, in just 9 days, 39% of all new podcasts were likely AI generated. Think about that. Nearly half of all new shows you're seeing on Spotify right now could be completely fake. No real host. No real research. Just AI slop, automated and published. This is what happens when cost cuts go too far, and companies are about to learn this the hard way. So if AI is more expensive, why are companies still doing it? 3 reasons. First, scalability. A human worker can do maybe 8 hours of work a day. An AI agent can run 24/7, handle thousands of tasks simultaneously, and never ask for a raise. The cost per task goes down at scale, even if the base cost is higher. Second, the optics. Investors love hearing that a company is AI first. It sends the stock up. It signals innovation. Even if the actual ROI isn't there yet, the market rewards the narrative. And third, and this one's controversial, some executives genuinely believe AI will get cheaper fast enough to justify the gamble today. They're betting on the future cost, not the current one. But here's where it gets messy. AI models are starting to choke on their own output. This is something researchers are calling model collapse. When AI systems train on AI-generated data, which is now flooding the internet, the quality degrades. It's like making a photocopy of a photocopy of a photocopy. Each generation gets worse. And with 39% of new content being AI-generated, we are accelerating this problem fast. The internet is becoming a mirror pointing at itself, and companies are paying premium prices for a product that may be getting dumber over time. Meanwhile, real people are losing real jobs. Entry-level positions are disappearing. AI job interviews are replacing human recruiters. And people are showing up to interviews only to be interrupted by an AI that doesn't listen. One person on Reddit's Legal Advice UK described their experience, sitting across from an AI interviewer that kept cutting them off. This is the world we're building. And it's costing companies more to build it. So what should you take away from all this? If you're a professional, this is actually good news hidden inside bad news. Companies that over-automate are going to hit a wall. The quality of their output will drop. Their customers will notice. And the humans who stayed sharp, who kept learning, who understand both AI and their domain, those are the people who will be hired to fix the mess. The skill that saves you isn't running from AI. It's understanding it well enough to know when it's failing. So, is AI worth the cost? Right now, for most companies, the honest answer is, probably not yet. But the companies betting on it aren't stupid. They're just playing a longer game. Whether they win that bet is something we'll be watching very closely on this channel. If this breakdown helped you understand what's actually going on behind the headlines, smash that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people. Subscribe if you're new. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think your company is making smart AI decisions or burning money? I'll see you in the next one.